What does moderation mean in respect to health and overall being? One factor, the most important for maintenance of health, unhesitatingly, I will say, moderation. What does it mean in this context? It means moderation in every human activity, that is, eating, working, exercising, sleeping, sex, and even resting. Most of the problems stems from the excess of one kind or the other. Excess of everything is bad, even of good things of life. For example, good food is necessary for life, but its excess reduces the lifespan by hastening the process of cell division and replication, which brings old age faster. Sugar is a source of energy and reverses the effects of low blood sugar after exercising. It may be life saving in case of overdose of insulin, but its excessive intake leads to obesity and adverse consequences to the body. Eggs and animal fats are a source of reserve energy and of cholesterol, which forms part of every human cell, particularly the brain and internal organs. Animal fats are therefore useful part of our diet, but should be taken in limited quantities, or it may cause obesity and elevate blood cholesterol, clog the arteries, and may cause heart attacks and strokes. Salt is an essential constituent of the blood and body fluids. Small quantities of salt are necessary to replenish the salt lost in perspiration, but its excessive intake may elevate the blood pressure. Fibrous diet is no doubt healthy. It may prevent cancer of the gut and may keep the blood sugar and blood pressure under control. But too much of fiber may cause gastric upset. Tea in moderation may be good. Its antioxidant content of flavonoids may prevent the diseases of degeneration and retards the aging process. But excess of tea may cause insomnia and palpitations. Exercise is good, but within one's capacity. It is good for overall health and is conducive to longevity, but excessive exercise can create number of physical problems. Rest is necessary for the body. It helps in regeneration, but excessive rest is indolence and lethargy, which encourages weight gain and reduces lifespan. It is said that even too much concern and preoccupation with one's health may be counterproductive. Moderation in health, particularly in diet and lifestyle, is about finding a balance and avoiding extremes. Moderation refers to finding a balanced approach to various aspects of life. Moderation in diet means eating food in amount that satisfies your hunger without overeating. Moderation in lifestyle means time invested on screen, alcohol consumption, etc. Given appropriate time to sleep to avoid sleep disorders which may lead to various health problems. Physical activity is necessary, but excessive exercise can lead to injuries. There should be a balance between work and rest. This may promote relaxation, managing stress effectively. Eating in moderation helps in maintaining healthy body weight, helps in maintaining healthy energy levels. Balanced approach to lifestyle helps in lowering the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain types of cancers. Balanced approach to lifestyle and diet promotes better digestive function. It may reduce stress level, may improve mood, and may promote overall mental health. This is Bright Lifestyle. Please like, share, and support me by subscribing the channel. Thank you for joining.